Hello everyone, this is Sankalp and today I'm here in front of you with the new HTC Desire 820 dual SIM device. So it is a huge device with great specifications. So let's see the specifications. So here let's zoom. It runs on the latest HTC Sense UI. It has a great Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processor which runs on 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU and 1 GHz quad-core CPUs. There are two CPUs. So here it is a dual SIM device and both SIMs are nano. So its internal memory is 16 GB and RAM has 2 GB of RAM, and the memory can be extended up to 128 GB. So it's a 16 GB device. Also it has a huge 13.97 centimeter display, 720 HD display. It has a 13 megapixel BSI sensor, full HD camera, and the front camera of 8 megapixel. It's also BSI sensor and it can record up to 180p recording. Also it has HTC Eye experience, face button, and there are several specifications, so you can pause the video and see all the specifications. It has a Bluetooth 4.0, DLNA, Wi-Fi. Also it is 4G LTE enabled. So it has a great specifications. Let's unbox the device. Here it shows nothing, so very simple packaging. Let's unbox the device. So here is the huge device. This is HTC 820 dual SIM. Let's put this device aside wing and see the rest of the contents. So here we are getting the wall charger, HTC type wall charger, the earphones. These are not in-ear type earphones. Also the 3.5mm jack seems not to be gold plated. Let's peel off the cover. So it is not gold plated. Seems not to be a good quality. Also we are getting a data cable. With micro USB port. Here we are getting the bunch of documentations. Safety guide. And warranty statement, and we have nothing. So let's put all the things in the box and see the device itself. So here is the device. Let's peel off the cover. So this is a huge 13.97 centimeter display. It's a glossy back cover. Very huge device. This device is not for small hands like me. So let's see the specs. Here we are getting the 8 megapixel full HD camera, the front speakers. These are the dual speakers, the HTC logo, and nothing. Here we are getting the bunch of sensors. On the left we are getting the dual SIM slots, the dual SIM and the micro SD slots. The SIMs are to be nano. On the right we are getting the volume rockers and the power on off button. On the top we are getting the 3.5mm headphone jack and the noise cancellation secondary microphone. on the bottom of the device we are getting the micro USB port for charging and data syncing, and on the back we are getting the 30 megapixel BSI sensor full HD camera with the LED flash and the HTC logo and the glossy back cover. The back cover cannot be opened, so let's see it has some charge. It gave me a haptic feedback. It shows powered by Android. Oh, it started. So this is the quick unboxing of the HTC Desire 820 device. We will be giving the full review later on. So thank you for watching.